It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic. This time, we're going to talk about how to convert degrees, minutes, and seconds to degrees. We have 125 degrees and 50 minutes. We wanted to convert that one into degrees, angle measure. So we will be utilizing our unit of conversion wherein 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So we started by separating our 125 degrees and the 50 minutes because we wish to convert the 50 minutes to degrees by using the conversion with the minute at the bottom part. So we have 60 minutes for that one, while the degree will be at the top. So we have 125 degrees plus 50 minute divided by 60 minute is equivalent to 0.8333. Rounding this off to the nearest hundreds, we have 0.83 for that one with a unit which is degree. Adding that one, we have now 125.83 degrees as the equivalent degree unit. Degree measure. Next, we have negative 32 degrees, 10 minute, 12 seconds. So converting that one, although we have a negative sign here, but to avoid confusion, we have to disregard that one and put that one at the final answer so that you'll not be confused later on. Because if you try to recall the first example, we are trying to separate each of the unit here by adding. So you may be confused when adding negative 32 with the equivalent degrees of the rest of the conversion there. So anyways, what I'm trying to say here is we do first our lowest unit, which is the seconds. So we have negative 32 degrees and then 10 minutes. We are adding that one with the 12 seconds. We're separating 12 seconds from the rest by adding because we wish to emphasize that we're converting the 12 seconds in here. So since we have the seconds converting to minute, we have our seconds will be at the bottom part while the minute will be at the numerator part. So using the unit of conversion, we have 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So simplifying that one or dividing that one, we have 32 degrees and then 10 minutes plus 12 divided by 60 is equal to, that's equivalent to 0.2. So we have that as 0.2 minutes. Adding the minutes here, we have negative 32 degrees and 10.2 minutes. So we are now converting the minute part into degree part. So we have negative 32 degrees plus, we separate the 10.2 minutes by adding. And then we are converting that one into degrees. So we have the conversion of 1 degree equivalent to 60 minutes. So dividing that one, we have negative 32 degrees plus 10.2 divided by 60 is equivalent to 0.17 degrees. And then adding that one, we have that as negative 32.17 degrees. Next one, we have 502 degrees, 35 minutes. Converting the minute part there into degrees, we have to separate 502 degrees and 35 minutes, and then we are to convert that one into degrees. So we have 1 degree over 60 minutes. Oops. And then 502 degrees plus 35 divided by 60, that is equivalent to 0.58 degrees. So adding now, Adding this one now, 502 degrees plus 0.58 degrees. We have that as 502.58 degrees. Next, we have 135 minutes. We wish to convert that one into degrees. So 135, since this is in terms of minutes, so we have the conversion of that one, which is 1 degree over 60 minutes. So we cancel the minute symbol there, and we do 135 divided by 60. That will be equal to 2.25 degrees. Lastly, we wish to convert 6,689 seconds to a degree. So all we have to do is to just simply take note that once we say 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes, and then 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So once we say 1 degree, equivalence of that one to seconds, we have that one as 3,600 seconds. So if we wish to convert 6,689 seconds to a degree, so we are to utilize this conversion, wherein we have that as 1 degree over 3,600 seconds. So dividing 6,689 with 3,600, we have that one as equivalent to 1.858 degrees. Rounded off to the nearest hundred, so we have that one as 1.86 degrees. So that's it. That is how you convert your degrees, minutes, and seconds to a degree measure of the angle. So I hope you learned something from me. This is again your teacher Jenny saying good luck and do practice every day. Please do like, share, and subscribe